done a small mini grocery haul, guys. I just bought this brioche, am I saying it right? I don't think so. Brioche buns, gluten-free. I've got some peppers to put in the fridge. I'm going to make these for lunch now. Seasoned zigzag fries, lightly seasoned. I'm going to taste them. I bought this sweet crunchy salad to put in the fridge. I'm going to have this now as well in my burger. 2 battered white fish fillets, gluten-free. Cucumber, guys. Some lettuce, obviously my favourite. Got some mushrooms I'm going to make over the weekend and put them in the fridge for the week. I bought these new eggs, original medium eggs, so I don't know how these taste like. If they're any better, I'll let you guys know, but they all taste the same anyway, but I don't know. Mushrooms, you know about coriander. Bought some sweet easy peelers, oranges. Yeah, bought some yogurt, bought some gluten-free biscuits, because I had gluten-free biscuits for a long time, and sometimes with the evening meal, after the evening meal, you want to have something sweet, so I thought I'll just taste them. Some cherry tomatoes as well, some sunflower oil, gluten-free flour as well, guys. This is it. I'm going to make lunch in a bit and I'll show you what I made. This is the next day now. I'm just cooking some gluten-free pasta. Recipe as follows. I just used some garlic paste, ginger paste and some chili paste as well. I'm just boiling some gluten-free pasta on the side, and obviously making masala with green chilies, and obviously put some oil in, some chicken tikka cut to pasta size. Obviously mixed it quite well, let it cook for a while. You know, guys, how to make pasta anyway, but obviously if you still want the recipe, I can always give it to you. Just make sure you just write in the comments on the side. I'm making some mushrooms to keep in the fridge for a week as well, as I always do. Yeah, I hope you enjoy the recipe. No, because it's not gluten-free, I can't have that. So I'll just order a halloumi piece and a latte, and you've got a black coffee and a carrot cake. Few days later, guys, just off to meet a friend, going to Solihull just for a little browse and to get some lunch as well, guys. Just kept it casual, all denim today, denim jeans, a shirt and a denim waistcoat, guys. Just kept it all denim. I love these olive trees, guys. They look so real. Look how real they actually look. I've got loads in my house anyway. I don't need any more, but if anybody wants some olive trees, come to HomeSense in Solihull, Shirley. You need an empty house, guys, to come to HomeSense. It's so organised. Look at these beautiful artificial plants. Look at the colours. They're amazing. Proper autumnal colours. If anybody is looking for any artificial flowers that don't look very artificial, if that makes any sense, I hope it does, because most of the time I don't. going to another wedding, guys, deciding which jewellery to wear today. It's a very hard decision because I got so much of it. Well, yeah, I've got more than this, but this is what I like at the moment, that I want to wear one of them. It's raining again. How lovely for the groom. Just making some simple eggs and veggies, guys, after eating all this wedding food. Just wanted something simple. Thank you so much for joining me again for another vlog. Please, I'll see you in my next one. Thank you so much for your support and love, guys. Please like and subscribe this video as well. It means a lot to me, guys, and thank you so much for your support. I'll see you next time. Stay safe and keep each other safe. Take care. Khudafiz. Bye.